Go finish them beats, bro. That's what a lot of people say. Just produce tracks and try to finish each single one, so you basically have as much experience as possible to be the top producer. I'm sorry to say that, but I'm here today to tell you that the way how you've been doing it is completely wrong. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is David Fritz, and in this video I'm going to explain you exactly what I mean with go finish some tracks. Should you actually finish each single track? Should you not finish each single track? We're gonna go through a few projects I've been working on the last years. As always, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel to not miss out any tech house and mindset production tutorials, and also go in the link in the description. The song you're listening to right now in the background is called What's That Feeling? Definitely make sure you check that out. And other than that, guys, let's get straight into the video. So in the beginning, I started producing music by wanting to finish each single track and just trying to release as many tracks as possible. Because of this attitude, you think every single track has to be finished. You almost kind of lose the perspective on what exactly is good music and what is not so good music. What is what people like to listen to and what is what people don't like to listen to. And if you just focus all the time on each single track you want to release it, each single track should be finished, you basically lose completely the feeling of what is exactly a good thing. Maybe you know this feeling as well, you're producing and you're just vibing so much to this tech house track or to the beat you produce or to the bass, and you're vibing so much to it. But then even producing more, installing drum patterns, installing more elements, adding vocals, you're just not vibing it anymore, like it kind of fades away. But sometimes you produce a track and then every single time you add an extra element, it just supports the vibe of the track and you just feel absolutely amazing producing it. And that is exactly the moment you should finish the track. And each single time you have a good idea down and you feel the basic idea, the kick and the bass, for example, and then the rest of the track just doesn't make sense, leave the project there. I'm just gonna go quickly on my computer. I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm doing. So each single time I want to produce a bit of music and I have an idea, I write it down. I open a new project, I call it bass one, bass idea, synthesizer idea, whatever that is. So this is here on my computer is the music production folder. And I have here a lot of different folders. Let's just make it a bit different to make it more. So basically, I have the music to be released folder, which is the folder where I know that the track is so good that I would definitely want to release it and send the demo to record labels. The next folder is the current project and ideas. So those are the current projects I'm working on. I'm not finishing any of them first or anything. I don't prioritize any of them. I'm just listening to them and I'm giving myself time. I'm giving myself 1, 2, 3 weeks, and then I'm detaching from the music I produced, because you know this feeling probably yourself. You produce, you feel so great producing it, and you're getting attached to this idea that, oh, it's gonna blow up, it's gonna be a sick track. But that's not how music works. You have to look back, step back, give it a few days, trust, and then be like, man, actually this track is absolute fuck. Then I have as well, I have the project archive. So you can see here already, those are all the projects I started, never finished. So let's just go in symbol 1. We're just gonna have to see what we have here. Just here, Arabic. Let's see what we have here. And you can see that I just started this project and I was just not vibing it. I just try to create melodies, create something, but putting it up to a complete track and arranging the whole track and having the full mixing process loses way too much time on a track which is not worth it to focus on. Investing your time into a track or finishing a beat you produced is like investing into the crypto market, investing into the stock market. If you invest in the wrong things, you're wasting your time and energy. And if you invest your time into the wrong tracks, you're wasting all your time into a track which is not worth it. That's interesting. I personally really like this idea, but I've got to say that there was a reason why I didn't want to finish it. This looks already like I finished almost the whole track, but maybe not. Let's listen to it. Oh my god, the bass line is horrible. What the hell is this shit? In the past I thought my bass line sounds absolutely amazing, but now I listen to it, I'm just like, bro, it's so weak, the wrong frequencies, it's too quiet. the more fuller this project folder gets, the more I'm realizing, okay man, now I have to listen to 10 different tracks and take the ones out I don't like and just keep maybe 3, 4, 5 in there, which are the chosen one, okay? And then I don't delete any project. The ones I don't want to listen to, I just go and put them into the archive, and then a few months down the track, maybe never, but sometimes I actually start project again and produce a new track, because that gives me an idea. And it's really crucial to like keep this current project archive in project which needs to be released in three different folders, because like that you know exactly what is there. But I definitely do not finish each track I produce. There's heaps of beats I never produced again. I listened to the again, I thought it was shit, never did it again. So that's definitely my take on this, guys. Hope you liked this video, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.